One hack that creates exponential results: overcoming your self-doubt and imposter syndrome. One of the things that holds you back the most is actually lack of self-confidence and thinking you're not good enough or you don't deserve it, or maybe that it's just not possible for the average person to be successful. Maybe what's holding you back from even creating videos is thinking that nothing you have to say is going to be of any value to anyone else. But that's simply not true, because you are certainly one step ahead of somebody else that hasn't walked this path before. You have tons of value to offer to somebody who may be in the same position you were in a year ago, 2 years ago, 10 years ago. So walk in confidence, knowing that you do have value to offer, and listen to some really encouraging podcasts, or take a moment to meditate or work on your mindset, work on affirmative actions. Just work on changing your mindset so that when you step up to the plate, you can step up in confidence, knowing that you are valuable and you do have something to say and you can find success. I absolutely adore what we do, working with small business owners to help them succeed and taking small, simple steps that will exponentially change their lives for the better when it comes to social media. So if that's something that sounds super helpful for you, be sure to check out our link in bio, where we have even more free content for you. We have our podcast over there. So much great content for you guys, and we just want to continue to give to you. So if there's something that we can help you with, be sure to comment it in the comment section.